As part of the assignment 2, I'm gonna explain about 3D slicer right now. So the first part of the 3D slicer assignment was to segment out any particular uh, part using MRI data. So what I did was, you can download sample data from online. So I did download the brain tumor MRI data. So just to take a look at it, as you can see, these set of MRI data are from a patient who had a brain tumor right here, right in this place. So what I did was, I basically used a couple of 3 slides are very slow. Yeah. So this button right here, this editor button. So when you go there, there are these lot of various tools that you can use to segment out a particular part using the MRI data. So what I used was this wand effect. So this wand effect basically selects like surrounding pixels around the pixel that you select, which are related to the pixel that you select. So this is pretty much something that I did. So I just select the whole tumor and I go to the next slide. I do the same thing and I keep on doing it. Once I'm done with that, I go here, I do the split merge volume, and I say merge and build. So this basically will build me a tumor uh, of the same size and the same dimensions uh, onto this graph. I did do that actually, and let me show you. Should do that. So this is the tumor that I segmented out from the brain tumor to MRI data. So let's go to the models. As you can see, I named it brain tumor. I made the color as red. So I was asked to change the reflective properties of it. So that option is under display. Go to material, and under material you can change the reflective properties of your tumor from darker to lighter. You can vary the ambience of it, diffuse it, specular it, power it, and there are a lot of options to change it. So in order to show that I really did segment out, and in order to show that this is really a tumor, what I did was, I placed this tumor onto a real model of a brain, and let me show you that. So this is a, a 3D model of a human head, which is available online for free. So what I did was I overlaid the tumor onto this model so that this model would act as a reference. Let me get the skin out. Oh, this is not the file. I'm sorry, I took the wrong file. So as you can see, I decreased the opacity of the skin and the bone. So this is the white matter of the brain, the right and the left eyeballs, mm, the optic nerves, and what I did was I overlaid the tumor onto this uh, whole structured 3D model of the head, and as you can see, this is pretty much a tumor right there. So, and this 3D model of the tumor was constructed using segmentation. So moving on to the second part of the question. Oh, I closed. So I was asked to download a 3D, a third party app, uh, which was available like an app store. So I downloaded an app called the MATLAB Bridge. The MATLAB Bridge. So this extension allows running MATLAB scripts as command line interface models directly from the 3D slicer. So I have explained about that in my report. Please have a look at it, and that's it. Thank you.